All the little idiot politician boy there. Come from the ground and feel like someone an idiot. Come poison our mind against king.
Yo, that day pretty talking coming there. You should have hear. Like him thinks I'm a big head, but I'm on barn, you see.
Them go on more wild, man. You know them style, brother? I divide and conquer the dog. I want you.
Look how long King I plan the feeding program, dog. My boy just want to come take over things. I wouldn't feel that. I show you never do that.
No for them style, man. I run him more running, man. To come take the man credit. You feel like a DJ sell this?
That, you know? That. But I always my throw King on the bus, dog. That me I pray.
Brother, we know King man have him pass, like all of it. You get what me I say? But King a real youth.
You know the other way of a pass, dog. As it does say. You see me? We are not safe. So I don't know where I come with.
Exactly, brother. Remember saying, you know, to protect our community and our family, you know. Sometimes we have to move some people. You are going like him and clean.
You see, in a film closet, no, skeleton pussy in that.
Yes, King. I had such a fabulous time being here. I've been telling you that ever since, right?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did. My time here was well spent for the 2 weeks, to be honest with you. And I really like what we are doing, especially what you are doing in the communities. I really like that. And it gives me joy, also gives me hope, you know. Also, some kind of fulfillment.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Because you know I like to help people. You know, you don't have to have much to help others, you know. You help them out of the little that you have, right? King man, you alright?
Yeah, man, my good man. Just I'm trying to process some stuff, you know. Now my mates, you see.
King man, I understand that life can be very rough, but I really want you to stay on top of things, you know. Don't let distractions come in your way. You know, especially right now, you're doing such a good job.
Words like that, you know, sure can, you know. There's so much to keep one stable. You know, I them talk about when them say, you know, apples of gold served on platters of silver. Those are the words. I can guarantee you this, that comes what may, I shall stay on course. And we shall accomplish that which we set out to do.
Of course. That is what I want to hear. And I also want you to know that you have support. Okay?
Any news about Shireen? Hello?
What's going on? I don't know if you are intending to call me or not, but there was trouble hearing you.
Oh no, it's a mistake.
Accident?
Yeah, accident.
Okay. Yeah.
I can't
Are
try.
you back yet?
No, I'll be back in a few.
Alright, what time are you leaving today?
I won't be leaving until probably about 7.
Alright. I have a rehearsal from 4 to 5 and I will check on you after that.
Alright, no problem. Cool.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Brother, all him goodly in there too, you know.
You know, easy, but different still. What do you think about it?
But fun and joke aside still, my brother. Look how much things need for fixing in the community. You see them a fix none? Them not fix nothing.
Yo, remember said the man them take 300% raise to themselves, you know? So what them left with? Scraps.
And them still not work on behalf of the people them. You get what me I say? Him come boy, I come like someone take the man idea and use it for him own.
They're not that.